The Tutorial Center at Fresno City College has recently started using the World Wide Whiteboard program. World Wide Whiteboard is an online tool used to communicate and connect students with their tutors. Before you start using Whiteboard, there's a few things you need to know. Internet Explorer and Safari are not compatible with World Wide Whiteboard. Do not use those when trying to communicate with a tutor. Web browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox work perfectly with World Wide Whiteboard. The first step in using World Wide Whiteboard is to enroll in the Tutorial Center's program. You do this on Blackboard. So step 1, you log into Blackboard. Navigate your way to the Tutorial Center button in the top right portion of the screen. Click on that. On this page, you have access to every online feature in the Tutorial Center. Click on the one that's applicable to you. You have to remember to hit the Enroll button in the left side of the page. If you don't do this, you're going to receive an error message when you try to access the online tutoring. Once you've enrolled, and depending on your program, there are a few steps you need to take. If you're trying to get an online tutoring session at the Online Writing and Reading Center or with a past tutor, there are a few extra steps you need to take. The next step in the process is to call the number below. Here you'll set up the meeting time that you'll have with your tutor. If you're already enrolled in a class that has a past tutor assigned to you, the tutor's times are already online. You do not need to make an appointment. At this point, the session is no different than a regular tutoring session. World Wide Whiteboard acts as a chat session. Here you can interact with your tutor in the chat bar. Like many third-party online resources, you're going to need to be aware of pop-ups that are going to appear on your screen when you try and access different things. If you want to use the webcam, you need to let the computer access your webcam. The same thing is true if you're trying to use the microphone. You're going to need to give your computer access to your microphone. Just be aware of all general pop-ups that may happen during an online session. Hopefully, this gives you a better understanding on how to use the online tutoring sessions.